The Quest 3, easily my favorite VR headset to date. The problem is, the included strap is absolute trash. The included strap is so bad that it makes the act of just wearing the headset, even after a couple of minutes, a needlessly uncomfortable experience. Now, you can of course swap over the default strap with one of Meta's Elite straps, but that's gonna set you back the princely sum of $120, or if you want one with a battery pack, $220. Now, Mr. Zuckerberg, I understand that you've lost $46 billion in your metaverse shenanigans over the last couple of years, but charging your MetaQuest customers through the nose like this for accessories that really they shouldn't have to purchase in the first place, just doesn't sit right. The good news is I found a solution that is, I would argue, not only more comfortable than the Elite strap from Meta, but it doesn't add any additional weight or bulk to the headset either, making them compatible with all existing accessories and keeping your headset nice and portable. And to top it all off, it can be had for just less than $10. Sound interesting? Let's get into it. Here it is. This little accessory here, it's what you'd call, I guess, it's not really a headband, it's more like a head pad. And you'll notice this design here. This is designed to sit nicely and cup the back of your skull for a comfortable fit. You'll see here, there's 3 anchor points. And why those are there is that you simply take your existing head strap and you weave that head strap through those anchor points. So it effectively sits like that, right? Now, you'll also notice here, there's this perforated design, and that's just to help keep things cool. I mean, look, I haven't noticed any additional heat buildup in comparison to just wearing just the default head strap on its own. And I've played hours on end of Supernatural and Pistol Whip with this thing on, and it's been absolutely fine. Also sell them in different colors as well. So I think there's like a blue, red, and black that you can get, but I just got the white one just to match the headset itself. But I'm telling you, this is an absolute game changer. For me, this completely eliminated any discomfort that I was experiencing with the default head strap by evenly distributing the weight on your head. And the fact that it doesn't add any additional weight to the headset itself means that it feels incredibly light and portable, you know, as the Quest 3 was originally designed, right? Keeps the headset still as well, so you won't have to constantly readjust it, even if you're playing super physically demanding games such as Supernatural. Now, I'm gonna actually go through the installation and show you how quick and easy it is. So start by removing the face gasket and the head strap itself by unclipping those sidearms there. Once you've done that, you grab the head pad and you thread the head strap through those 3 anchor points I mentioned, and then finally the top strap goes through the headset itself there, and then you just click back on the sidearms there, as you can see, and then finally you want to put back the face gasket back on to the headset itself, and then that's it. Now, actually, I do want to share a personal anecdote as well. You know, with the Quest 2, I modified that thing to the hilt, right? I went all out. Like, I not only, you know, changed the head strap on it to something a lot more comfortable, I also added, you know, on-ear headphones. I replaced the face gasket. I even mounted a battery pack to the thing, you know, to the point that was pretty much unrecognizable to the original Quest 2. It just became, you know, over an extended period of time, it just became too heavy to wear, right? It became too cumbersome to manage. Clearly, I went too far modifying that thing. So when the Quest 3 rolled around, I thought, you know what? I want to keep this thing as close to stock as possible, meaning I don't want to add any unnecessary bulk or weight to it. You know, I want to use this headset the way it was intended, which is for it to be extremely portable, as light as possible, and you know, you can just get in and out of your VR experiences nice and easily. So, you know, when I got on the Quest 3, I knew I had to do something about this head strap. So I'm really glad I found something like this, because again, it collapses nice and easily, right? So you can still fit this in your bag as you could with the original Quest 3 with the default head strap on. In fact, you know, you could actually use your Quest 2 carrying case, or if you really want to take it back, you could, who remembers this? Gear VR. That's right, it's a Gear VR from 2015, 2016, I want to say. I guess this would be considered retro in the VR world now. Just crazy to think, but just to prove how compact the Quest 3 is, even with the headpad on. Here's the original Gear VR, still in the box. I don't think I've touched this since 2016, 2017. Point is, that was the case that it came in, and as you can see, it's quite snug in there, right? As I mentioned it before, this just collapses nice and easily, stows away easily, and without any fuss. I don't need to push anything down. This just slots in, closes up, and boom, there you go. So you can actually fit your Meta Quest 3 with the headpad on inside a Gear VR carrying case. So you're not going to have any issues with fitting it inside a Quest 2 carrying case if you still got one of those as well. So you can't do that with the Elite strap or any of the third-party options that sell also those sort of head straps, because the frame is more rigid and it can't collapse. So look, I'll leave links in the description below so you guys can check it out for yourself. But look, if you're a Quest 3 owner, you owe it to yourself to get one. Now, I do want to add as well, there's no affiliate links. I'm not sponsored by any company or anything like that. Like I said, this is just a generic, no-name one that I picked up from AliExpress for literally $7. And it's been an absolute game changer. There's like dozens upon dozens of different sellers selling the same thing, really. So just getting a generic no-name one, you should be absolutely fine. As long as it looks something like this, you'll be absolutely fine. There are some name brand, like traditional VR accessory maker branded ones as well on places like Amazon. But from what I can see, they're charging like 5 or 6 times as much. So I would say, look, steer clear of those. You don't need to overpay unnecessarily. Just get something like this, will do the job, no issues. And again, I'll leave links in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. But an absolute game changer. If you're a Quest 3 owner and you haven't done anything about the strap yet, because the Elite strap's too damn expensive, or you're just looking at available options, check it out for yourself. You owe it to yourself to give it a try, because like I said, the one thing that kept me out of the headset or prevented me from putting the headset on as much as I wanted to wear it and stay in VR and engage in experiences and things like that in VR, the main thing that was preventing me from doing it was from the discomfort caused by the included head straps. And I know I'm not alone on this. There's a lot of people that have the same issue with the Quest 3's head strap. So, check this out. Absolute game changer and issue solved. Just a quick video today, guys. Consider it a VR PSA. Hopefully it helps some of you Quest 3 owners out there. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.